Hey guys, Lex over here, and I want to talk to you guys about what's known as the BRRR strategy, which stands for buy, repair, rent, and refinance. Now, if you've got a good job and decent credit, this is a really, really good strategy for you. And the way it works is like this, right? Your goal is to find a house that you can purchase for less than 75% of the market value. All right, and that 75% needs to be all in, including the repairs. So in this specific case, this house over here was purchased for $95, and the market value is probably around $140, and it's a significant discount to market value. So a student of mine purchased this house. I actually gave them the hard money loan. So they only put $10,000 down, and I loaned them the balance. And then I actually provided them with a crew to get the house rent ready, which cost around $10,000 or so. So now at this point they're into it for, let's say, $105,000, and now they're going to get a tenant and rent it out for market rents, which is about $1,300 a month. At that point, they're going to go to their mortgage broker and they're going to ask for a refinance of the mortgage to pay off the hard money loan. The mortgage broker is going to send out an appraiser. They're going to do an appraisal. Let's say the house appraises at the 140. The mortgage bank is going to be willing to give them 80% of that $140,000, right? So whatever that works out to be, that's 140 minus 28, so that's how much is that? 108, right? No, 112. So basically, let's say there's $4,000 in fees, they net 108. Their loan on this house is only 85, right? Because they bought it for 95 and put 10 down. So they get to pay off their hard money loan, and all that difference is equity. And now they've got themselves a $1,300 a month payment, equity in the house, and positive cash flow. So if you've got a good job and you don't have a lot of money, but you've got a good job and good credit, this is a really fantastic strategy for you.